The story of Paul Newman's Volkswagen Beetle, transformed into a muscle car, is one of the most unusual chapters in automotive history. Newman, already passionate about sleeper cars, had been swapping Porsche engines and brakes into Volkswagens since the early 1960s. Around 1969, while spending time at Ontario Motor Speedway, preparing for his motorsport documentary Once Upon a Wheel, Newman met San Diego Indy car builder Jerry Eisert. Their shared enthusiasm led to the idea of creating a radically re-engineered Beetle. The project began with Newman's stock red Volkswagen ragtop, which Eisert converted into a mid-engine machine. The humble 40-horsepower four-cylinder was replaced with a Ford 351 cubic-inch Windsor V8 producing 300 horsepower, paired with a Ford GT40 spec Z5-speed transaxle. To prevent disastrous handling, Eisert mounted the engine ahead of the rear axle, placing the radiator in the front for balanced weight distribution. Structural reinforcements included boxed steel tubing and a roll bar that stiffened the chassis and added safety. Cooling posed a major challenge. Eisert cut triangular openings in the front trunk, fitted custom grills, and routed air through ducts to feed the radiator and oil cooler. A transverse Mustang Mach 1 muffler gave the Beetle a muscular sound without excessive noise, per Newman's request. Despite its wild engineering, the car remained visually close to stock, apart from its aggressive stance and custom modifications. Eventually, Newman donated the car to Chaffey College's pioneering racing technology program after befriending program founder Sam Contino. Painted in the school's red and white colors, it served as a hands-on teaching tool before Contino received it as a retirement gift in 1986. Together with his son Tom, he restored the car to its original Newman-era red finish, carefully preserving Eisert's unique design while improving craftsmanship. Today, the Beetle remains a remarkable blend of muscle car performance and Volkswagen charm. With its American V8 rumble, sharp steering, and raw engineering spirit, it reflects Newman's adventurous approach to cars. The restored Newman Volkswagen Ford stands as both a tribute to its famous first owner and a rare fusion of Hollywood, motorsport, and hot rodding ingenuity.